Hey everyone! Apple just dropped the brand new iPhone 17 lineup, and wow, there's a lot to unpack. We've got a new iPhone 17 Air, which is Apple's thinnest iPhone ever, plus big camera and performance upgrades on the Pro models. In this video, let's break down what's actually new, how it compares to last year, and of course, whether it's worth upgrading. This is Gadgets and Widgets. Let's start with design. This year, Apple is giving us 4 models: the iPhone 17, the iPhone 17 Air, the iPhone 17 Pro, and the Pro Max. The big story is the Air. It's crazy thin, super light, and honestly, it kind of feels like the iPhone version of the MacBook Air. Apple clearly wants this to be the sleek, ultra-portable option. The Pro and Pro Max also got some love. They now come in titanium builds, new polished edges, and some fresh colors, including a deep red and a brushed silver that looks really premium. Now, cameras. This is always where Apple flexes. The Pro and Pro Max models are packing larger sensors with better low-light performance. There's also a new AI smart capture system. Basically, the phone does more of the heavy lifting for you, adjusting exposure and detail automatically so your photos come out sharp and balanced. If you're into zoom shots, the Pro Max is the winner. It has an exclusive 6x telephoto zoom, which is huge for photography and even video work. Even the regular iPhone 17 models get solid upgrades to the main and ultra-wide cameras. So yeah, if photos and videos matter to you, the iPhone 17 lineup is a noticeable step up. Under the hood, all the new iPhones are powered by the A19 Bionic chip. Apple says it's not just faster, but also more efficient. And here's the kicker. It has built-in AI acceleration. So tasks like editing photos, AR apps, or gaming should feel smoother than ever. Battery life is another win, especially for the Pro Max. Apple claims up to 30 hours of video playback, which is the longest we've ever seen on an iPhone. And yes, finally, everything is USB-C now, with faster charging speeds. Took them long enough. All right, let's talk price. The standard iPhone 17 starts at $799. The Air is $899. The Pro jumps to $1,099. And the Pro Max sits at $1,199. Pre-orders open this week, and you can expect them in stores around September 19th, 2025, in over 40 countries. So here's the big question. Should you actually upgrade? If you're using an iPhone 15 or older, the difference here is big enough that it's probably worth it. You'll notice faster performance, better cameras, and a more modern design. But if you already have the iPhone 16 Pro, it's less dramatic. The upgrades are nice, but maybe not a must unless you really want the thin Air model or that insane Pro Max zoom. And that's the new iPhone 17 lineup in a nutshell. So, what do you think? Is the Air's thin design exciting? Or are you more tempted by the Pro Max's camera power? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious what you'd pick. And as always, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss the next big gadget update.